So friends, for your kind attention, we will take a disclaimer. I am not an authorized advisor or broker or research analyst. This discussion is only for the information purpose. I am not suggesting or influencing anyone for any kind of the investment or trade. I am not responsible for any unsuccessful event or moment. Be aware of the market risk before any decision. Thank you. Hello friends, we analyze Botcom Incorporation for the probable price levels for the period of November-December 2024. In its key statistics, PE ratio is 143.49 and PB ratio is 11.73. In my opinion, it is an expensive valuation. We must be very careful while taking any kind of the trade risk. See, since it is the overvaluation or expensive valuation, we must be very caution on the EPS growth and EPS TTM growth. When it is shows the growth quarter by quarter, the stocks may try to go up. Suppose if the EPS growth is stagnated or otherwise degrowth or decreases, decreases, then we shall expect the big correction from its levels in its price levels. So now we see the price levels, probable price levels. Breakpoint is 163, R1 zone is 184 to 197, R2 zone is 208 to 214. And when we come to the support section, support 1 is 145, support 2 is 111, support 3 is 94. In between the support 1 and 2, midpoint level is 128, we must be note down. See, actually, it's made a 3 to 4 attempts to break the R1 bottom line of R1 zone 184 range, but it could not do because the last quarter growth is not up to the estimation level, so it takes a correction. Now it's fall up to the breakpoint level of 163. Now it seems to taking support at this level. We cannot say that it is the true support. It's taking true support level. Suppose if it is going to take a support at the breakpoint of 163, we must be very careful. It should cross the 174. It is the midpoint level of breakpoint and R1 level. If it could not cross the midpoint level of R1, breakpoint and R1 level, and it's turned to down and breaks the breakpoint of 163 and set the close below 163, then we shall expect that it could come down to the S1 level or otherwise midpoint of S1 to S2 level. If the quarterly results are not up to the mark, then it can take a correction up to the S3 level. If it is going to take a bearish trend, then this shall be a path. Suppose if it is going to form a bullish trend, then it can take some sideways or pullback from the midpoint level of 174, and again it will touch the 184 bottom line. In this time, if have the strong enough to break this, then it can go beyond 184 and might touch the 197, take the correction at the midpoint level of 184 to 187. Still it is going to continue its uptrend, then it can touch the R2 level. So when we recall the price level, breakpoint is 163. Now it seems to that it is trying to take the support at the 163 breakpoint of 163 level, but I cannot believe it. Is the strength of the taking support is not enough, I think, in my opinion. So breakpoint level is 163. R1 zone is 184 to 197. R2 zone is 208 to 214. Support range, support 1 is 145, support 2 is 111, support 3 is 94. Midpoint of support 1 and 2 is 128. I think this information will help to you. In such a case, please like and subscribe. If you feel that this will help to your friends, please kindly share it. Thanks for